Since the P0141 code is connected with the O2 sensor, the downstream oxygen sensor to be precise, a lot of owners may be scared to death with this code since it hints at the problems with the catalytic converter. But no, in this case the code means that the downstream O2 sensor either has a broken connection with the system or it's broken and requires replacement. Basically, even if you find a broken wire, you will still need to replace the sensor because the wire comes as one assembly with the O2 sensor. These wires have soy-based insulation and they are open to rodents, so the chewed wiring is quite often the reason for this code. Now, what exactly is a downstream sensor? This is the O2 sensor that's located right after the catalytic converter. In the 2.5 liter engine, it's located under the car, so it's very easy to spot once you take the fusion on the lift. Replacing it is very easy. You just need to unclip the connector on the other side of the wire, and then there is one plastic clip holding the wire in place, which should be just pried out. That's pretty much a DIY job to replace this sensor. In the 1.5 turbo engines, the downstream sensor is located behind the engine in the exhaust pipe right after the catalytic converter. And it's much harder job to unscrew the sensor, but it's still doable if your vehicle is on the car lift. What's important to know is that there are basically no other culprits for the P0141 code but the problem with the sensor or its wire, because the code literally says there is a problem with the heater connection in the sensor. It doesn't mean at all that the oxygen readings are wrong or anything like that. So there is no need to pay for expensive inspections or follow some other advice from dealerships. Just replace the $65 sensor and you'll be good to go.